Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new house. So I wanted to give you guys a tour of the house and yeah, enjoy. This is what I've done so far. There's still a couple of things that I want to get done, but for now, this is it. So this is the hallway when you first walk in. I'm standing at the front door and this is our like little table for the post, and we've just got a little salt lamp there, a pumpkin spice candles and make it smell super nice. And this is like our drawer of like tools and like junk and like all that stuff. And then this is Keith's box of like cycling stuff and umbrellas and all that. And then this is the shoe rack. So this has got like, oh, this has got all the shoes and like the grocery bags here. And I like this here. I feel like it looks nice and neat when it's tidy like this, and it was in a really annoying place and we moved it to here. Then this is where we go upstairs, but we're actually going to go into the living room first. I just have my bag like on the banisters there. There is a door here which leads into the living room, but we have kept this closed because the couch is actually on the other side of it. So when we come around here, we go into the kitchen and there's George on the table. Hi George, George the alien. This table is not my fave, but it is autumnal colors, so you know. This is like one of the things that we did want to get rid of and put in a breakfast bar, but we just can't do that right now. Not yet. So hopefully in a couple of months maybe we can remove this and put in a breakfast bar, or even just like get like a better table that we can not have a tablecloth on. Then this is my beautiful kitchen that I'm actually like so in love with. This is my gorgeous Nespresso machine and kettle, and my gorgeous ceramic hob and Le Creuset sugar bowl and salt and pepper with my vitamins. I'm gonna actually take a little bit of a wider step so you can see the whole thing. Here she is, the gorge kitchen, and our lovely sink and draining board, black toaster, and the microwave came with the house, so you know it's white, but what are we gonna do? I like the backsplash that it's like tiled, and I like that there's tiles on the floor. And then we've got the fridge. I am a little bit sad that the fridge is covered and doesn't have like, we can't put like our magnets on it, but we added this to the kitchen, so it's like a little shelving unit because there's actually not that much cabinet space. So we added this for like utensils, and this is where the bread goes, but we just don't have any bread right now. Then this is like our kind of like oils and like, you know, soy sauce, that kind of thing, garlic, cereal. And then we've got like the good plates and my Starbucks mug collection, and then the radiator and the bin and the dustpan. Then on the back of the door, I've just got my apron. And then if we turn around, we get to the living room. So the living room is basically connected, and this is the couch, which I was saying is up against the door so that we can fit the piano in. So I hate leather sofas. Like, I actually hate them because I hate sticking to them. But actually, I think it looks quite good with this throw. I just wish it wasn't sticky. And I love the rug. So the rug is a rug that we got in London before we moved. We got it in a charity shop, but it's actually from IKEA. And it was brand new when we bought it, so we're delighted. This table is from IKEA. It was super cheap as well. We love it. Then over here, we've got the TV and the TV unit. So this unit is also from IKEA, but we got it from Keith's brother. And we just filled it with like various things like records, DVDs, cookbooks, regular books, the PlayStation, and then board games over here. We've got the record player. Then we've got Princess Leia, who's actually covering the Sonos speaker over here, which you can obviously hear through that. And she looks kind of evil with the candle there. I'm so obsessed with candles. This one is from Penny's, Primark, and it's like, I can't remember what the scent is, but it's like the blue one. It's really, really nice. The TV is the same TV as in London. This is the wallpaper. It's slightly old-fashioned. I've just got my pins up here, and this is our like glasses cabinet, and then in here we've got like our little stash of alcohol, which I'll show you. Ta-da! It's like our little bar. Because I really wanted a bar cart, but we couldn't get rid of this because this belongs to the house as well. And we need to keep this. So this was like, okay, this can be my bar cart. Then I've just got, if we go over here, I just put two little pictures of me and Keith up on the wall, and I might fill this out with like a couple of other bits and bobs. And then over here, we've got gorge mirror and the piano. So obviously Keith needs the piano. I need the piano sometimes, and that's just sitting here. This is like Keith's pile of junk, and that like just is always going to be there. It's like necessary things, and I don't know. And this is the printer. And then if we turn around here, we've got the bookshelves. So basically from the top to the bottom, the bookshelves are from IKEA, the frames are from IKEA. This guy here is from like the Amor sign, I think is from Stradivarius or Pull and Bear. It's from like a really unexpected place. And then this one here, Keith's mom bought us in Covent Garden. And then all the books are just books that we have collected over the years. Our little cacti. And then we've got this gorgeous print that my godfather gave us. My aloe plant, my little autumnal pumpkin. I love my pumpkin. Another candle. This guy is alive, but he's just like not giving us life. All of our music then, so these three shelves basically are all music. And then down here we've got like another box of like cables and like mouses and, you know, kind of like computing things. And more books, all the Game of Thrones books. And yeah, so that is the living room and the kitchen and the whole area. So I'm going to step back and let you guys see the kitchen and the living room again. There she is. And there she is. Oh, I actually forgot to mention as well, the window. So the curtains are actually from my mom's house. And there were like really ugly brown curtains here from like the 80s. And we took them out and put these ones in for my mom's, and I think they look so much brighter and so much brighter. There is, you can't really see because of the light, but there's kind of like a, oh, there we go. Like a lace, like doily basically, to like give us a bit more privacy because it is like right out on the street. I want to change this for like a blind, like a, I don't know, I think they're called Venetian blinds. I want to change it for that, so we're going to do that soon. Then if we exit the living room, we are into the hallway where we have Marilyn and the elephant are just sitting here. I'm waiting to get, so the back of this, the string broke off, so I just need to get a new string for that. And that's going to go here on this wall. Not sure if we're actually going to put up the elephant. And then we've got our Hoover and Keith's bike, the washing machine. This is like all stuff that just needs to go. Then in here we've got like the hot press, which is like all the towels and stuff, like the airing cabinet. So that's really good. And then we've got the bathroom. So the bathroom is this beautiful shade of pink, which is crazy. We need a new toilet seat. But actually the shower is quite nice. It's, even though it's pink, it's like, okay, and we're like offsetting it with green. I need to get like a cabinet over this side to like store all this stuff. But yeah, I really like this. I didn't like it when I first saw it in the pictures, but now I do. I also want to remove this, like another like doily thing. So I might actually take that down today. So as we go up the stairs, we have another window here with these green curtains, which I actually quite like. I'm going to close them over. And then when we come around here, oh, this is like my little Disney area. So I've got this photo up here with a picture that Keith's friend made for us, and then I put all my hats and my ears on the wall. And then this is like the big shelf of Disney good things. And then I've got our little rug that was in London here and our plants. So I've got my elephant that Mom gave me, and then some plants here and a mirror, and my few little bags, my camera, and then my collectible Mickey and Minnie just here against this mirror. So I put these mirrors here just because like we took them with us from London and I thought they made the space look nice. So now I'm going to take you into the bedroom. When you walk in, you see our gorgeous rug, which I am so in love with, and our chair that we did take from London, which has some paint on it, which I've tried to clean off and it's just not happening. And then I've got my vanity here with a little drawer, all my makeup, and a gorgeous mirror here. And I have I've popped these guys onto the wall here to hold, like, this is for my lipsticks, and then this is for like my foundations and my face products, and this is for kind of like general body stuff. So I've got like my tan lotion and my spray, my hair, sea salt mist, some eye cream, and then down here I've got like my moisturizers, dry shampoo, hair brushes, my little jewelry box and music box, then like my, say, like lip liners and mascaras, and then makeup brushes. This is like my jewelry, little bobbin jewelry and hair clips, and then this is kind of like all my palettes and powders, and then down here is just kind of like all like a shelf of stuff as well, like jewelry and such. Then we've got the two wardrobes. So we've got this one, this is my wardrobe, all my clothes and all my clothes, and then we've got drawers in here as well. So this is like where my underwear, my like workout gear is, and then this is like a big pile of jeans that I need to sort through still. Then up here we've just got like suitcases and more shoes and like the heater for the winter, and then this is Keith's wardrobe. So then I've got my massive mirror that I love taking my selfies in for my outfit of the day. Why is it blurring? And yeah, I'm in my pajamas. And then this I bought this in John's, and basically it's like a little futon for the end of the bed, but we also use it for like the laundry. So that's really good. And then our gorgeous orange curtains are from wayfair.com. And I love them. I feel like they're so autumnal and so cozy. And the bed is the same bed that we had in London. And I just got these lovely white sheets in Pennies, Primark. And then on the wall here, I have our prints that we got from Bishop Please. And this lovely like hanging plant pot from TK Maxx. And I want to put this into the roof, but the roof is quite weak, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna work. And then we've got some plants here which we've kind of let die when we were away. A lovely fireplace and some candles. This is just my like bedside table. And then here, this is like the one part of the room that we've got the lamp that we had in our living room in London, and then at the back of the door is just like towels and dressing gowns and stuff. Yeah, that's our lamp from London. And then if I stand back a bit, you can see the TV. So basically because of this thing, fireplace and the radiator, this is kind of the only thing that we could fit in this area for the TV. So basically the top drawer there, the top like basket, is my t-shirts, the bottom one is my pajamas, and then the middle I've just filled out with my bags. I've got my guitar and my cameras in there, and that's it really. This is the only one we could really do. So I'm not entirely happy with it. I would prefer to mount it on the wall, but again, like, the structure isn't exactly secure, so we'll have to see. So that is the new house tour. I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please do subscribe and tell your friends if you've enjoyed this. I've had so much fun decorating this house and getting it to be our own, and I'm really excited to live here and be back in Dublin. See you next time.